Everyone and welcome. This video I'm going to walk you through how to host a Kahoot with 3+ players. You can do that right from the home page. You see the option right here, so you click on it. So which Kahoot do you want to host? Now you can pick from yours, the ones you've created, or you choose from the top picks. We have top picks over here, or we have so many under the top picks. We have under Marvel Official, there's so many options. We have under Dogman Movie or Sponsored. We have under Disney Official. We have under Star Wars. So many Nickelodeon Official. So you can choose the one you want to host. Let's say I want to host from Marvel Official. Let's say I want to host from Iron Man Robotics. So you click on it, and then you click on host at the bottom there. Then you can decide to host live by starting an interactive lesson live. You can decide to assign by assigning this Kahoot as a homework to students, or you decide to add to study group by learning together with friends. You can choose any of them. So you can play with up to 40 players with Kahoot Basic, which is what I'm using right now, Basic. But you can also increase the limit by clicking on increasing the limit by going for another plan, which is the bronze plan. You pay $6,750 a month, and you can now play with at least 50 players. If you choose Kahoot Silver, you pay $13,500 a month. Your player limit will be 100. If you choose Kahoot Gold, you pay 21,708 naira, 103 kobo a month. But you have 200 players, so that's it at the minimum, at the maximum I mean. So you see, that is how to increase the limit there. Anyway, so that's how to host. So you choose the one you want. Let's say I want to host assign. I click on assign, and you show when to end, edit it when to end. Player limit, I told you it's just 14, and then you can choose to create by clicking on create, and then you follow the on-screen prompts, as you can see. So this is the code. You can send it through Google Classroom, Remind, Message, WhatsApp, email, and more. Send it to them. So once they join using this code over here. It's as simple as that, and then they have access to the Kahoot you've assigned to them. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget, that is the pin, by the way. So hope you find this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.